Dell Power Selling Pros. Let me ask you a question. Are you leaving money on the table? You know what I'm talking about. You go out to a house, you do a plumbing repair, HVAC repair, and then you talk about some sort of add-on or accessory, right? And then the significant other, the spouse says, well, you know what, I need to talk to my spouse, my partner, whatever the case is. And you're like, okay, great, just give us a call back. And then you leave. And what happens is, the spouse comes home, they're like, hey, the AC's working, the plumbing's working great. And they're like, yeah, by the way, the technician also talked about this item. And the spouse is like, dude, this is great, let's get this. And she's like, perfect, I'll call in the morning. Then something happens. All of a sudden, we go back to life. We get busy. We answer emails. We watch Netflix. We're trying to figure out why Carol Baskin is on Dancing with the Stars. And all of a sudden, that great idea just goes out of sight and out of mind. So if you're leaving money on the table, it's because we're not following up. We need to be following up back with those customers. You need to be proactive. Give us a call at Power Selling Pros or visit powersellingpros.com. We'll help you discover ways to follow up and connect with that customer.